Hey, YouTubers, good morning, Robb Moffat. Guys, congratulations to me. You know, back in 2007, in March 2007, I started my YouTube channel, and I finally have over officially 1,000 videos. I remember watching Tosh.0 for years, and he would interview YouTubers on his television show. He'd ask them how many videos do they have on their channel, and they'd say 800, 900, or 1,200. And he said, "You've got 900. You're a crazy person." I'm like, well, I'm officially now a crazy person because yeah, I've got 1,000 videos. I've got actually more over the years. I've got private videos been erased or deleted or demonetized. Or back in 2011, I got everything erased by accidentally. There's 31 million channels. I'm probably one of the few persons that ever actually erased all of their videos on their YouTube. And back then, you go with like one button for one and one button for everything, and you didn't get a second chance. And it was like late at night and fat finger. What can I say? So yeah, it's been a blast. 1,000 videos officially. So if you've noticed, July of last year, I started doing 3 videos a week. I wanted to improve my channel, get more viewers, subscribers, make more money. You got to do something to help the Social Security check, and it worked. I do have more viewers now and more subscribers, and made a little bit more money. I'm up to where now we're making from Social Security. That's a blessing, let me tell you. But I decided when about 6 weeks ago, I saw I was like very close to 1,000. So let me do a video every day. So the last 6 weeks, I've been doing a video every day, and now I finally hit 1,000. So I'm going to go back to 3 weeks. So I think one a day was just too much. Not for me. I'm crazy. I could do 2 a day. But I figured you guys give you a break. I'm going to continue to do informative, helpful videos, or entertaining if possible. Using my old technology cameras and my 15-year-old Windows Movie Maker editor and my 12-year-old computer. But yeah, I enjoy making videos a lot. But I'm going to be finding other things that I enjoy just as much, or that I know I enjoy, just haven't done in a long time, like sailing and so on. Between COVID and having illnesses and problems and stuff, it's been like my videos have been very narrowly focused on just. So I need to broaden the horizons of my videos, I think, a little more for you guys. If not for me, even if not for me, I think you guys need a break from. Does he ever go outside? One viewer said that to me one time in a comment. Do you ever go outside? No. So it's been a blast. Starting off with a little tiny RCA Easy 101 $19 camera from the hardware store. I mean, I made videos years before with regular cameras, but digital was new to me. So it's been so much fun. And I'm so glad you guys have stuck around, and hope you continue to hang in there. By the way, I've decided to add maybe something that would have more connection to the viewers, to you guys. If any of you guys make things, I was thinking about like once a month, do a video of stuff that the viewers have made. They could send me, you could send me a photo at cdbob at bellsouth.net. I'll leave a link in the video description, and also I'll leave on the page up here where you could send any photos of stuff you've made. It could be anything, or if you have a channel of your own that you're starting, or it's been for a long time, you think other viewers might be interested, because you guys pretty much have an idea of what I do on my channel. If you think people would have similar interests in your channel, make a 30-second clip and then send me the link. And if it's not something too crazy, then you don't get in. No. If it looks pretty good, what we're going to do is I'll copy it and put it in a video, and you guys could just be on a video once a month. We'll show little clips of other channels people might be wanting to watch, based upon your little 30-second clip. Will other people get to see what you're doing? You know, I think we share the love. Hey, YouTube been very good to me. So it's been a blast, guys. 1,000 videos. But I'm gonna learning how to speak, and learning to go outside more. With Flipper, I'll be out there with Flipper doing some fishing under the bridges. Maybe doing some sailing. God, I gotta go sailing again. But yeah, so it's been fun. Thanks for hanging in there, sticking around with me, and gonna have more fun out, and more informative videos, and more entertaining videos, and more helpful videos. And that's the way we roll here. I haven't yet for too much. It's been fun, guys. It's been fun. Thanks for hanging in there. Take care. See you out there.